Let us see neat type of question, organic chemistry. Let us read the question. Phenyl magnesium bromide reacts with carbon dioxide and water in acid to give P. In the reaction product P is. Now reactant is phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. This phenyl magnesium bromide is called a Grignard reagent. This phenyl magnesium bromide is called a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is reacting with the carbon dioxide. Okay. Now in the phenyl, we will take phenyl group. Here carbon atom is present. Here magnesium, here bromine. This carbon and magnesium. Here carbon and magnesium. Magnesium is metal, carbon is non-metal. So bond is shifting to this side. So carbon is gaining electron cloud. So it is having partial negative charge. Magnesium is losing the bond so that it is getting partial positive charge. In phenyl magnesium bromide, like this charges will be present. Then we will take carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide we can write O double bond C double bond O. Now oxygen and carbon, if we see, oxygen is having more electronegativity. Oxygen is having more electronegativity than carbon. So bond is shifting more towards oxygen. Oxygen is gaining electron cloud, so it has partial negative charge. Carbon is losing electron cloud, so it has partial positive charge. Now reaction takes place. This partial negative charge is attracting this partial positive charge. So this bond is shifting this side. This partial positive charge is attacking this O minus, oxygen. Therefore, between this carbon and this carbon, single bond is possible. This double bond becomes single bond because pi bond is shifting to oxygen. Between this oxygen and magnesium, bond is producing. Between this carbon and magnesium, bond breaks. This bond shifting to carbon. So this bond is shifting to carbon. This carbon is making bond with this carbon. In double bond, pi bond is shifting to oxygen. This oxygen making a bond with magnesium. So when phenyl magnesium bromide, this Grignard reagent, when it reacts with carbon dioxide, it gives what we'll see. Now phenyl magnesium bromide reacting with the carbon dioxide to give so and so substance. So and so substance is possible. That is this carbon is making bond with this carbon. Double bond becomes single bond. This oxygen making bond with the magnesium. Magnesium is having bromine. So this what this adduct we got. This addition product we got. Then it is reacting with what? Second option. Second, water. It is reacting with water. So it reacts with water. Now we will take this part. This oxygen and magnesium part we will see. This magnesium is metal, oxygen is non-metal. Therefore, the bond is shifting to this oxygen. Oxygen is gaining, so partial negative charge. Magnesium is losing, therefore partial positive charge. Now water is attacking this one. In water we can write H plus we can write and OH minus we can write. H plus is attacking this negative side, OH minus is attacking this positive side. Therefore, this bond is shifting to oxygen, and between oxygen and hydrogen bond is producing. This bond is shifting to oxygen. Between this oxygen and hydrogen bond is producing. Then this magnesium and OH minus bond is producing. Therefore, the product is O double bond C OH. This phenyl ring, and another one is this Mg is making bond with OH group. This Mg is making bond with OH group. So we are getting a benzoic acid is the product. Hence, answer for this question is benzoic acid. So B option is the answer.